In January 2019, NASA's Mars helicopter technology demonstration was put through rigorous tests to verify it is ready for the red planet. While flying helicopters is commonplace here on Earth, flying hundreds of millions of kilometers away in the thin Martian atmosphere as something else entirely. The team recreated the gravity and flying conditions of Mars and Japal's space simulator. A 25-foot wide vacuum chamber, the helicopter hovered 2 inches as target height, as fulfilled its flight readiness requirement for Mars. The Mars helicopter is scheduled to launch with the agency Mars 2020 rover mission in July 2020 to demonstrate the visibility and potential of heavier than air vehicles on the red planet. What happens? What happens, Power?
Unplug micro. Okay, first plane on Earth.
What do you think, Teddy? Good job. Now can I say
Yes,
good
yes,
job?
thank you.
Good job.
This was the stream. As you see, they are discussing it, and now they will check it. This is NASA's Mars helicopter
It's a huge
complete
milestone for
flight
us.
test.
To have built this Mars helicopter that's to the quality that's needed to be launched, to travel to Mars on board the Mars 2020 rover, and to have met the really stringent mass constraint, coming under 2 kilograms. In fact, we weighed in under 1.8 kilograms. We have to be light to fly at Mars. We built the Mars helicopter, the helicopter to Mars, and at this time, we've shown that it can fly. We've done the flight test in the chamber with the thin atmosphere representative of Mars, very important. And secondly, we've tested it through the thermal environment. The environment at Mars, it gets very cold at night, down to like -°C. That's like temperature of dry ice. And we have cycled the temperature on this helicopter, the extreme temperatures that it's going to see. And very importantly, we've shown that it can survive autonomously. You know, we want to get to Mars. We're not done yet. The job is certainly not done yet. This is the test, the last test that we can do, the last flight test that we can do on Earth. But really, our job isn't done until we see the same test flight being performed at Mars. So next time we fly, it'll be at Mars. But that's our ultimate goal. That's when we'll go, yes.